BluArmor activated.
Greetings riders. In this video, we will show you how to power on and power off your device. Step 1. Connect the device. First, make sure all the connections are secure and connect the device to the harness. The C40, the device will automatically power on when the harness is plugged in. Similarly, the device will power off automatically when the harness is unplugged. Manual power on. If the device is already connected but not turned on, locate the 3-button module. Press and hold the middle button to power on the device. When the device powers on for the first time, it will announce the battery level and automatically enter primary phone pairing mode.
BluArmor activated. Battery full. Primary pairing.
At this point, the blue LED will start blinking rapidly, powering off the device. To power off the device, press and hold the middle button. The device will blink red, announce the battery percentage,
Battery full. Goodbye.
and then power off. And that's it. That is how you can power on and power off your C40 device.